Hello students, now come to the next question. Question number 8. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 1.5 years at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Remember, we need to find amount and compound interest on rupees 10,000. Principal amount is how much? 10,000. Time period is 1.5 years. Rate of interest is 10% per annum, but compound half yearly. Okay. Now, would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it was compounded annually? So means first we will try to find the amount for half yearly, and then we will find the compound interest, and next we will try to find the amount in compound annually, and then we will try to find the interest, and then we will compare it whether in half yearly the amount of interest is more or in the annually the amount of interest is more. Okay, let's see here. Solution. Let me write here for half yearly. Okay, half yearly. Okay, so principal equal to how much? Principal amount, it is 10,000. Rate of interest equal to how much? 10% per annum. Time period and equal to how much? 1/2 years, that is 3/2 years. Okay, therefore amount equal to how much? P into 1 plus R by 100, or for half yearly 2 into 100 and twice n. P is our 10,000, 1 plus R is our what? 10/2 into 100. 2 to cancel, 3 will be here. Okay, 3. So this is cancel 20. So 10,000 into 21 plus 1/20 cube. It will be 10,000 into 21/20 whole cube. That is, let me write here, A equal to how much? 10,000, this time 21 into 21 into 21 by 20 into 20 into 20. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 cancel. 2 for the 10. Here it is. 4. So 5 into 21 into 21 into 21 by 2 to the 4. So I did the calculation already. How much we will get here? We get, see, 11,576.25 paise. This much the amount we will get. Therefore, compound interest equal to how much? Amount minus principal. Amount is 11,576.25 minus principal is 10,000 equal to how much? So 1,576.25. That is CI. For, let me write here for symbol, half yearly. Half yearly. Okay, just for half year symbol. How much? 1,005 rupees, 1,576.25. Is that clear? Okay. Now, this part is for half yearly. Now, for annually, P equal to rupees 10,000, R equal to 10% per annum, and N equal to how much? 1/2 years. For this, we will write therefore A equal to how much? P into 1 plus R by 100. This one will be the power into again 1 plus half into R by 100. This half will be come here. Okay. Now 10,000, 1 plus 10/100. Okay, again 1 plus 1/2, 10/100. 0 cancel, 0 cancel. Look at here. 10,000 here, 11/10 into here 20, 21/20. Is that clear? See, this cancel, 00 cancel, 2 500 500 into 11 into 21. So I already did the calculation here. You will get 11550. Okay, see here, it is the amount. Therefore CI for annually A, how much you will get? A minus P is 11,550 minus 10,000 equal to how much? 1,550. That is CI, compound interest annual equal to how much? 1,550. So question says that would this interest, this one, would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it was annually? Yes. We will let yes. Answer will be yes. Why? Because in half yearly the interest how much? 1,576.25 paise. But in annually the interest is 1,550 rupees only. So in half yearly the interest is paid more. Okay, so yes, I hope you have understood this part. Thank you.